Peace, family. Now in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of my credit cards. This is one of my credit cards that I utilize and I leverage to be able to acquire free things. Now this is my Capital One Venture account, and you see the last 4 digits is 4063, and I promise you won't be able to figure out the other digits. But what you see is the Capital One mobile app. Now right here you see 41,388 rewards miles. Now I can utilize these rewards miles for whatever I want to utilize it for based on the option that they give me. I got this credit card a while back, and what I do is I make sure that I spend it every month, and then at the end of the month I pay it off before the interest accrues, and therefore I get free points. So let's dive into it. So I'm going to show you the adventure. I'm going to show you this right here. It says adventure awaits. Book flights, access airport lounges, and get even more out of your exclusive benefits. If I click that, it's going to bring me to the next page, Capital One Travel. It says the best available prices on flights, hotels, and car rentals. So I can get whatever I want to get for free based on me just utilizing and leveraging the credit card. If I want to go to restaurants, I can do that. If I want to go to sports and music and do things like that, I can do that. All I have to do is just follow the prompts they give me, and then I can leverage these free points that I've been acquiring over time to be able to get whatever I want. Now, we just saw the book a trip, right? So I can get flights, hotels, and car rentals. So say, for instance, if you want to get a flight anywhere around the world, you can do that. Hotels, you can do that, as well as car rentals. You want to rent a car? Well, just click on that option, and then you'll be able to rent cars for free. Convert rewards. So this is basically for those who want to convert them to other things. If you don't want to travel or do anything like that, and you just want the money, then all you have to do is just convert it into money, and then they'll send you a check in the mail. I mean, how good is that, right? Covered travel purchases. This is for you to be able to be reimbursed for you traveling, and all you have to do is just spend, your travel expenses using a credit card, and then they'll reimburse you for that. You can get gift cards, redeem for cash, cash back, redeem with PayPal, shop on Amazon, utilizing these points. So basically, this is free money that you'll be able to get. So you have to be able to understand the system. Credit cards aren't all bad, but you have to know how to use them to your benefit. If you just spend them as a consumer, or you spend them as a person who just need to get something, but you're not thinking about growth and development and freedom, then yeah, you'll always be in debt. So I just want to show you this. That's so you know exactly what you can do by leveraging your credit. Last but not least, so these are the benefits. So earn 2 times travel, redeem, repeat. These are just some of the benefits of my credit card. Now this is one of my many credit cards, and I do this with all of my credit cards, and I can show you how to do it by you using our system. So for those of you who would like to quickly improve the quality of your life, and you would like for an AI technology to do everything for you, therefore you don't have to worry about waiting for someone to do work for you. Our system, Chess Technology, does everything for you. And if you would like to empower yourself, go to app.credithealing.org/DIY. And you will be able to receive the many benefits that we are speaking today about, in terms of being able to book trips for free, being able to get rentals for free, hotels for free, and things like that. Who doesn't like free things? All right. So again, that is app.credithealing.org/DIY. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com, and we'll be more than happy to be able to help you. Peace.